In this detailed Samsung Smart Switch review, we will explore the key features of Samsung Smart Switch, its pros and cons, how to use it, and the alternative. Part 1. What is Smart Switch on Samsung? Smart Switch is a Samsung tool that simplifies data migration, backup, and restoration between devices. It allows easy transfer of contacts, photos, videos, apps, and more from old devices, including Android and iOS, to new Samsung phones. It also provides software updates and device management, enhancing the device switching experience. Part 2. Is it good to use Samsung Smart Switch? Samsung Smart Switch is a popular tool for transferring data between devices, but it may not be the best for everyone. Advantages: user-friendly interface, easy to navigate, even for non-tech-savvy users. Comprehensive data transfer, transfers contacts, messages, apps, and media files. Compatibility, works with both Android and iOS to Samsung transfers. Free, no hidden costs. Flexible options, supports both wireless and wired data transfers. Disadvantages: not fully comprehensive. Some app-specific and cloud-based data may not transfer. Slower wireless transfers. Wireless can be slower and more prone to interruptions. Platform limitations: doesn't support transfers from Samsung to iPhone, limiting cross-platform use. Part 3. How to use Smart Switch. Before transferring data, make sure your new Samsung phone is fully charged and updated to the latest software version. Install the Smart Switch app if it's not pre-installed, and ensure that both your old and new devices are ready for the transfer. Note: avoid setting up your new phone fully before the transfer. It's best to wait until after you've used Smart Switch to set up your apps and accounts. This minimizes the risk of data duplication and conflicts. Step 1. Install the Samsung Smart Switch app on both devices. Step 2. On the new phone, select Receive Data. On the old phone, choose Send Data. Then, opt for either a wireless or wired connection to link the two devices. Step 3. Choose the data you want to transfer on the old device. Step 4. Start the transfer process and wait for it to complete. Step 5. Check your new device to ensure all data has been transferred successfully. Part 4. The alternative of Smart Switch Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. If you're looking for alternatives to Samsung Smart Switch, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is a great option. This tool offers several advantages over the Smart Switch, including cross-platform compatibility, supports data transfers between Android and iPhone, regardless of brand, making it more versatile. Comprehensive data transfer, transfers a wider range of data, including apps, contacts, call logs, messages, music, photos, and videos. Simple user interface, easy to use with a straightforward interface for a hassle-free transfer. Great compatibility, works with most iOS and Android versions, including iOS 26 and Android 16.